Well, hi guys. I just wanted to remind everyone from Alberto's comment. So Zendu and the Proving system will be part of our first delivery for 2021. And we're still working on refining timelines. And once we have those, we'll be publishing that officially. But it's really exciting to hear that we are further refining all the tasks for the Proving system for this first delivery of 2021. Okay, so from that perspective, we because this is going to be one of our first deliveries and it's going to be on the main chain portion, it will require an external code review or code audit, more to say. And we are starting that process, RFQ process, and we'll inform you once we've selected a company that will perform that RFQ. But this is a big deal. So this will be our second code audit that we do on our chain, and the Zendu changes are fairly significant. So this will be a very important audit for us to perform. And then that'll be our production ready Zendu system. So I'm very excited for that. We typically have, just for everybody, for our viewership and community awareness, we usually have a prioritization call that happens within the tech team, and also we usually bring in marketing and growth just so we could sync up on activities for the particular month. And now that we're ending the month, it'll be for the upcoming year as well. But we will be having that through email, and right now we're just waiting for some inputs from the rest of the team, and we'll be sending that to the internal team via email, so everybody's continues being on the same page. Lucy mentioned preparation for holiday downtime. So we all know crypto doesn't sleep, and throughout the years we've pushed really hard and pushed our team very hard, and we haven't stopped. But I think we all need to have a downtime plan in place. So I'll be working on that from my division perspective, so that we continue having some support, but in a reduced time perspective. From a Horizon Labs perspective, and this is just the ecosystem part of the update, of my updates, we presented to the Celsius team our proof of concept design previously, and also let me take a step back. We presented the long-term design of what we'd like the sidechain to be able to perform, and we have interim steps on how to achieve that with a proof of concept that will be a building block for the final product. And we presented the proof of concept design with 3 milestones, and the Celsius team was very happy and amenable to the milestones. So the next step will be to work with Celsius. Has identified a team that we'll be working with directly, and we just have to coordinate timeframes of when we are officially starting that effort along with our team. So this project will reach back to the engineering team. So we also have to deconflict some of those resources, particularly in the Proving system team. So we'll have to sequence out how that works and just make sure that we're not impacting our own Horizon specific deliverables as well. So it'll take a little bit of a effort to plan that out, and coordination from a with our customer perspective, partner perspective. From a game chain perspective, we continue making great strides with the game chain, and this one's really exciting, as I previously mentioned, because we are identifying products or supporting products that will be required for our final SDK. So it's like we're getting an early start on them and helping identify that development effort. So we'll likely be done with the sidechain portion of the game chain this month, and we'll be getting a head start on the libraries. So the sidechain, our game chain will require a specific JavaScript library, which we'll also have a general JavaScript library for the overall sidechain system as well. So that's just an example of how we're identifying these products. So that portion will be done this year. And then just for everyone's awareness, what I'm thinking for next year for this game change, the customer is going to be working on integrating the blockchain piece, which will take a little bit of effort on their end. So see the first part of Q1, or most of Q1 will be us providing a blockchain support on the game integration, and then hoping for the spring that we have community involvement in this game that will be using our sidechain system. So we'll be involving the community in this testing process. And that's it for all the updates from the Horizon Labs perspective. Thank you.